Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You will be seeing my 2023 calendar of different artworks. January, Tanjore painting of Shiva family. February, this is acrylic on canvas. And March, again creative painting acrylic on canvas. I take order works and teach online professional courses. This is April, Tanjore on fabric for blouses and sarees, Yashoda Krishna. This is May, acrylic abstract on 300 GSM, and June, this is 3D flowers on plate, mirrors and napkin holders and agarbatti stands. July, 3D murals, horses on oils on canvas. This is portrait. August, in acrylic. September, hand painted porcelain on mug. You can order and buy. October, also porcelain hand painted clock, which you can get with stand. And November, this is again a big platter, rice platter of porcelain hand painting work. You can order these type of works, and for more information you can click the link of my website. And December, this is creative painting on canvas, and you get these variety of works, and there are many other courses you can learn online, offline. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.